What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Rissa B if you didn't already know, and if you haven't, make sure you subscribe down below. Today I will be doing a full get ready with me. I am getting ready to go to dinner with a couple of friends, so I will be showing you my makeup, hair, and outfit for tonight. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like this video down below. It truly helps me out, and I'm just going to move along and get right into this video. First thing that I am going to do is prime my eyelids. I'm just going to use my Fenty concealer to do so. And before I blend it out, I'm going to let it sit a little bit. Once I have all of that blended out, then I am going to set it with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. You may find that this step isn't necessary depending on how your eyelids are. For me, I have to set mine because if not, then my eyeshadow will crease really badly throughout the day. Now that I have that set, now that I have my eyelids set, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. And I am going to use the shade Rustic, and I'm going to go right above my crease area. I'm going to still work in the same area, but I'm going to take Rustic and Sienna and go mainly on the outer part of what we just put down, just to give it a little bit of warmth and color, since this is a like really muted brown shade. And I'm taking my shadow basically all the way up to my brow. That's definitely a personal preference. You don't have to take yours up that far. I will be going in with the Anastasia Jackie Aina palette. I will be using the shade Credit, and this will be going directly into my crease area. Back into the Soft Glam palette, I'm going to use the shade Bronze in the center of my lid, and then I'm going to use the shade Glistening on the inner corner of my lid. To be honest, you can probably just use bronze over the whole lid. I didn't see too much of a color difference. Could just be me though, and like my skin tone and the concealer that I use, so depends on you. But I'm still going to use two shades just because I did it on this eye, but you can definitely get away with just using the one shade over your lid. just gonna blend this out some. I didn't add any more product on the brush. I'm just using whatever is left over. Just gonna make sure that this is blended out. Then to go right into the inner corner, I'm going into the James Charles Morphe palette. I will be using the second shade from the left on the top row of the James Morphe palette. And I will be putting that right on the inner corner. And then I'm going to just make sure everything is basically blended out to my liking. So I'm not really adding any more product at this point. I'm just making sure that everything is blended well together. Now that my eyes are for the most part done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, which is gonna be my normal facial or foundation routine, base routine, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to speed through this. I have already primed my face. I used the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and then I went on top of that with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer.
Ayy, on time like dying from while I'm living on Coronas. They been living for attention, they been dying for diplomas. My persona and aroma could've told ya I don't give a signed a bigger contract so I could talk some bigger. Police pull you over, they be tryna give a I be such a gentleman, they came to see some. She just wanna cut, I wanna cut as in a bigger split. She ain't even ready for this wood I'm about to hit her with. Hit my swisher in your hitter in that order up. I was feeling low and then I realized I'm sorta up. Porter front of Porter, Florida, baby, let me pull ya up. She be on the foyer, folding flouters, whipping Goya up. Straight from out that Mississippi soil, Tom Sawyer up. If you get your paper up, then I suggest you lawyer up. This make me immortal, so I know that it mean more to us. Talking about you more than half your neighborhood been boarded up. 35 with my AC on. Nina by my side with no safety on. Praying to the Lord I make it safely home. But if that ain't your will, then will you take me home? Headed from the bank, I just put 20 up. I stay out the way and get my money up. Praying to the Lord I make it safely home. But if that ain't your will, then will you take me home? I ain't never wanna be a role model. Truly, I just wanna be a bread getter. Why you always trying to be a tough? Around and really be a dead. I've been on 10 since at least 5. In the dirty south where the heat thrive. Pandemic sent it 6 feet. So homie, I'ma need me at least 5. Feeling like none of y'all safe bets. Lately I can't even have safe. Baby, I ain't with your neighborhood. I ain't even talking about the latex. Ride around town with a doctor mask. Hoping I don't never see a copper pass. Even though I know I ain't did nothing. Cause Lord knows they'll pop you. Lately I've been feeling like God working. When every single part of your soul hurting. Cause every single person I know eating. But ain't a single person I know working. Everybody cool when it's cool though. Streets get hot when the summer coming. Me, I'ma chill by the pool though. Fuck around, live to be 100 something. Understand that you long-winded. At least wait till my song ended. Every time that you doing right, they gon' tell you what's wrong with it. I ain't really worried what the people say. Good as long as my mama love me. Death gotta be beautiful. The world filled with all kind of love. 35 with my AC on. Nina by my side with no safety on. Praying to the Lord I make it safely home. But if that ain't your will, then will you take me home? Headed from the bank, I just put 20 up. I stay out the way and get my money up. Praying to the Lord, I make it safely home. But if that ain't your will, then will you take me home?
Jumping back into the eyes, I'm going to add a wing liner to the top of the lid, and then I'm going to go in with Credit from the Jackie palette and go underneath and smoke out the bottom eye, and then we'll go ahead and add mascara to the bottom lashes as well. So I'm finished with the face. Now I'm going to do my hair. All I'm going to do is a half up, half down, and then I'm going to get dressed. This is the final look that I came up with. My hair, makeup, and an outfit. I will insert some clips of the outfit that I have. I have on a laced long sleeve top that I got from Shein. I'm wearing these light wash high-waisted jeans that are from Fashion Nova. these knee length boots from Aldo. They are suede and they have a chunky heel. And then the jacket that I threw on top is from Boohoo. It's also suede and it has black lining and then silver detail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this look. Let me know what you guys think of it down below. Again, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you tune in for my other video that's coming out after this. It'll be a mini vlog that will include me and my friend going to dinner tonight so you guys can see how it is. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but we're going to Magnolia's on King, which is in Virginia. It's a black owned restaurant, so I'm super excited. So definitely stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.